Hello children, this is 5th standard maths. Chapter name is Operation with Large Numbers. Now subtraction part. All addition sums are completed children. Now subtraction. Now let's recall the exercise. Recall exercise. A main addition sums are completed. Now B main. Now here subtraction. First line, second line. Subtraction means we have to subtract from the right side, not from left side. We have to start from right side, means ones place we have to subtract first, then tens place number, then 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. According to the place value we have to subtract it. From right side we have to start. Then after subtraction the answer and total of these two are equal to first line. Okay, these two, second line, and after subtraction answer, add these two, you get the first answer. There is a verification. This column is verification column. Now here, first one, subtract and check your answer by addition. This is verification. By addition means first you have to subtract, and this is a verification. Now 0 minus 0, minus symbol, slipping line. So 0 minus 0 means answer is 0. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 means how much? 5 in your hand. 1, 2, 3 is cancelled. So remaining is 2. 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 2. So 4 in your hand. Minus 2 means 1, 2. Remaining is 2. 6 minus 4. 5, 6. Minus 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining is 1, 2. And 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 means 4 in your hand. Minus 3, 1, 2, 3. How much? 1. Total is 1,22,020. Now subtraction is done. Now we have to verify whether our answer is correct or wrong. To verify means we have to add these two lines, second line and with the answer. So after adding these two we have to get this first line. We should get first line. Then our answer is correct. So second line is given plus and answer. We have to add these two. Addition, after adding these two we should get this line. This is as an answer. Then our answer is correct. So these two lines we have to add. So here second line already written. Then write on the next line 0, 2, 0, 2, 2, 1. 1,22,020. Now we have to add these two. This is a verification. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 3 is 5. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. 1 plus 3 is 4. Look at here children. 46, 4050. 4,64,050. Okay. So it means answer is equal to first line. Then this answer is correct. Our answer is correct. Now next one, B1. 53800 means 5,38,000 and minus 9,756. We have to add now. So here we have 0 rupees. We want to spend 6 rupees. Here also 0 rupees. We want to spend 5 rupees. Here also 0 rupees. No money. We want to spend 7 rupees. So no money means we have to spend 6 or we have to give 6 rupees to others. So what we'll do? Ask credit. Next. Here 0 means next friend. Next friend also have 0 money. And ask, knock the door, next door also 0 money. Knock next door 8 rupees. 8 is a rich person, rich man. Now 8 will help 1 here. 8 will give 1 rupees to here, best friend. So 8 and 1 will become 10. And what happened to 8? 8 is now 7. Okay, 10. With this 10 will help his friend. So 10 10 will give 1 to here. So here it become 10 and this 10 will become 9 because out of 10 he gave 1 to his friend. Now here 10, with this 10 will help 1 to his friend. So this 10 will become now 9 because out of 10 he gave 1 to his friend. So here now he have 9 rupees. Now here 10, no need to share other. Now 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 is how much? 4. 4, okay. Now 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 means 4. Again 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7 means 2. 8, 9, 2. Okay. 7 minus 9. 7 minus 9 we can't subtract because subtraction means the first line should be greater than second line number. So 7 minus 9 we can't subtract it. Borrow 1 from our friend. Knock next door 3 with 3. So 3 will help 1. So it becomes 17, not 8. Okay, 17 together. It is now 17 and this 3 is now 2. Now 17 minus 9 means we can subtract with a finger or with the lines or with the dot. Now or with the equalizing this number to 17. First line 9 is there, we have to subtract 17 minus 9. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. To equalize to 17 means we have to add 8. So what is the answer? 8. Now here 2 as it is, no number to subtract. 5 as it is. 5,28,244. So this is the answer. Now we have to verify the answer. To verification means we have to add these two. We have to add these two lines and after adding these two lines we should get the answer as first line. Then our answer is correct. Okay, we should know always the verification of verification. Check the answer here. Answer means we have to add answer and the next number. Second line. Second line is so here 9, 7, 5, 6, same line. Okay, second line. And first line is now 4, 4, 2, 8, 2, 5. Okay, 5,28,244 is the first line and this two we have to add. After adding we should get the answer as first line. Then our answer is, this answer is correct. Check the answer children. Now here plus 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 means two numbers. So one number, the last digit we have to write here. 1 carry over to next place. Now 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 means 0. We have to write here. 1 carry over to next place. Now 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 means 0. We have to write 1 carry over to next place. Now 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. So 8 here, 1 carry over to next place. 1 plus 2 is 3 and 5. Check the answer. Yes, correct. 5,38,000 first line. So here also 5,38,000. To verify the answer, we should add these two. Then we should add these two. After adding, we should get the answer as first line. So this answer is correct. Now subtraction. B main. Page number is 13 children. B main. Now we have to subtract the value. 3 minus 9. 3 minus 9. So 3 minus 9 we can't subtract it. Borrow 1 from our knock next door and borrow 1 from here. So it becomes 13 and here 0. 0 minus 8 we can't subtract. So borrow 1 from 8. So here this will become 10. 10 minus 8 and here 7. And 7 minus 4. Here 4. Okay. Now 3 minus 9 we can't. Borrow 1 from next friend. So 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9 how much? Equalize to 13. 9 equalize to 13. So 10, 11, 12, 13. So how much? 4. 4. Now 1 with 1 we give 1 to our friend. So here now 0. 0 minus 8 we can't subtract. So borrow 1 from our next friend. So 10. 10 minus 8 means 2. Now here 8 is now 7 because we give 1 to our friend. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Now 4. No, 7, okay. 4 minus 3 is 1, 4 minus 2 is 2, 0 minus 1 we can't subtract, so borrow 1 from next number 10, borrow 1 here, it is now 10 and this is 5. 10 minus 1 is 9 and 5 minus 3 is 2. Answer is 29,21,324. Now next question, 3865,949 and 3385,959. So we have to subtract here 9 minus 9 from left side. We have to start from, so right side. 9 minus 9 is 0. Now 4 minus 5 we can't subtract it. So first number should be greater than second line. So 4 minus 9, 4 minus 5 we can't subtract. Knock next door. Check with the next number 9. So 9 will help 1 here. So it become 14 and 9 is now 8 because he gave 1 to his friend. Now here 9 is now 8. Okay. Now 14. 14 minus 5 means 9. 14 minus 5 is 9. Now here 8 minus 9 we can't subtract because 8 is smaller than 9. It should be greater than second line. So borrow 1 from next friend. Who is there? 5. So 5 will help here. So 1 together it is 18 and this 5 is now 4. 18 minus 9 is 9. Now 4 minus 5 we can't subtract because 4 is less than 5. So we have to borrow 1 from 6. So 6 will give 1 here and this 6 will become 5. Now 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5 means how much? 14 minus 10, 4. 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5 means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how much we have to add? 9. So answer is 9. Then here 5 minus 8 we can't subtract. So borrow 1 from next number 8. So here this is 15. 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 means equalize to 15. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how much? 5, 1, 6, 7. 7. Now here 8 is now 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. So answer is 4,79,990. Now third question, 48239463 minus 8083646. Now we have to subtract the number. 3 minus 6. Minus symbols we have to subtract. 3 minus 6 we can't subtract. So borrow 1 from 6. So here this is 13 and 6 is now 5. Now 13 minus 6 means 7. 6, 6 to 1 plus 1, 7, no? No. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now 4 minus 6 we can't subtract because 6 is greater than 4. First number should be greater number. So 4 minus 6 we can't subtract because we have to spend 6 rupees. We have only 4 rupees. So borrow 1 rupee from next friend. So borrow 1 here. So this is now 14 and 9 is now 8. 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6 means 7. Equalize 6 to 14. Okay. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how much we have? 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Now 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. Then 3 minus 8 we can't subtract. So borrow because this is greater than this number. So we have to spend 8 rupees but we have only 3 rupees. So borrow 1 from a friend. Knock next door and 2 rupees no. So he can help. Borrow 1 now means together it is 13 and this 2 will become 1. Now 13 minus 8. Equalize 8 into 13. So 13 minus 8 means 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So answer is 5. Then here 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. 8 minus 8 is 0 and this 4 is here. 4 crore 1,55,817. Now fourth question. 987654,320 minus 898765,432. Now we have to subtract in. So here we have 0 rupees. We want to spend 2 rupees. So what we'll do? Ask next friend. So ask next friend, knock the door. So he will give 1 rupee. So it become 10 and 2 is now 1 because to help 1 to his friend. Now 10 minus 2 is 8. Then 1 minus 3 we can't subtract in because this is greater than this number. This number, first line number should be greater. So 1, we have 1 rupees. We want to spend 3 rupees. We can't spend, no. So borrow 1 from credit, from our next friend. So from 3, 1 means it become 11 and 3 is now 2. 11 minus 3 means 3 is there, no? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how much we have to add? 8. Then this is over. Now here 2 minus 4 we can't subtract it because this is less number. Here number should be greater one, first line. So 2 minus 4 we can't subtract it. So borrow 1 from our friend. So 1 means it become 12 and 4 is now 3 because he helped his friend. Now 12 minus 4 means how much? 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. 8. Now here 3 minus 5 we can't subtract it. So borrow 1 from our friend. So 13 minus 5 means how much? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 8 we have to write here. So here 13 minus 5 is 8, 9. This is now 4 because he helped his friend. Now 4 minus 6 we can't subtract it. So borrow 1 from 6. So here 14 minus 6 means how much? 6 is here. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how much? 8. Okay. Now this is now 5 because he helped 1 to his friend. Now 5 minus 7 again we can't subtract it. So borrow 1 from 7. So here 7 will give 1 to his friend. So it become now 15 and 7 is now 6. 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7 means 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how much we have to add? 8 here. Now 6. 6 minus 8 we can't subtract it. So borrow 1 from 8. So 8 will help here. So it becomes 16. 6 will become 16 and 8 is now 7. Okay. 16 minus 8 is 8. Now 7 minus 9 again we can't subtract it. So borrow 1 from 9. 9 will help here and this will become 17. 17 minus 9 means 9, equalize 9 into 17. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How much? 8. Now here 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. So all are 8 family. 8 crore 88 lakh 88,888. Now next fifth one, 7800050639108204. We have to subtract start from right side. 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. Now 0 minus 4. 4 means we can't subtract, so borrow 1 from 5. So here 10 and this 5 will become 4. Now 10 minus 4 is 6. 4 minus 0 means 4 only. 0 minus 2 we can't subtract, so borrow 1 from knock next door. So there also 0. Then knock next door, here also 0. Here also 0. From 8, 8 is a rich person. From 8 will help next neighbor. So here 10 and this 8 will become 7. Out of 10, 10 will help 1 to his friend, best friend. So here this is now 10 and this 10 will become now 9. And here now 10. With 10 he will help 1 to his friend and this 10 will become now 9 because he gave 1 to his friend. Now here 10. Out of 10 he will give 1 to his friend and this person will become 9. Now here 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. 7 minus 9 we can't subtract because 7 is less than 9. So borrow 1 from here. So this is 17 and here this will become 6. 17 minus 9 means 8. Okay. Now 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. 38 crore 89 lakh 18,465. Now sixth question, children. 0 minus 7. 0 minus 7 we can't subtract it. So borrow 1 from 7. So this is now 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. And this 7 will become 6 because he gave 1 to his friend. Now 6 minus 6 is 0. And 6 minus 5 is 1. 5 minus 8 we can't subtract it. Borrow 1 from 8. So borrow 1 here. So this is become 15 and 8 is now 7. 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 means 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 5. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 6, 7. Okay, 7, 7, 14, 15. Now here 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. Now 3. 3 minus 7 we can't subtract. So borrow 1 from 7. So this will become 13 and 7 is now 6. Now 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 means 6. 6, 12, 13, no? 6. Now here 6 minus 8 we can't subtract. Borrow 1 from 8. So this 1 means it will become 16 and 8 is now 7. 16 minus 8 is 8. Now 7 minus 7 is 0 and this 7 as it is. 70 crore 86 lakh 47,103. Now seventh question, 3860043929533420. Now we have to subtract it. 9 minus 0 is 9. 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 minus 3 we can't subtract it. Again knock next number, next door. Ask with your friend. 0 here also 0 rupees you can't tell, and next neighbor have 6 rupees. So 6 will help this person and here from here. So 6 out of 6, 6 will give 1 to here and this will become 10 and 6 is now 5. And 10 out of 10, 10 will give 1 to here and here 10 will become 9 because he gave 1 to his friend. Now 10 minus 3 is 7. Now 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. 5 minus 5 is 0. 8 minus 9 we can't subtract it. Borrow 1 from next number. So it will become 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. And here now 2. This will become 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. 90 lakhs 67,019. If 2 comma means it is in a lakhs, 10 lakhs. 3 comma means crores. Now last question, 8th one. 400,000,37625745. So we have to we have 0 rupees, no money. We want to spend 5 rupees here. In other shop, here also 0 money. This side you want to spend 4. Here also 0 rupees. You want to spend 7 rupees. And here also 0. You want to spend 5 rupees. Here 0, 2 rupees. You want to spend. Here also 0 rupees. You want to spend 6 rupees. Here also 0 rupees, but he want to spend 7 rupees. What these people will do? Go to 4. Okay, so 4 will help because no money, poor people, no money. So here 4 will help 1 year and 4 will become 3. Now here 10, out of 10, 10 will help 1 here. So 10 is now 9. And this 10 will help 1 to his friend and here it will become 9. And this 10 help 1 here. So here 9. And this 10 rupees will help 1 here. And here it will become 9. This 10 will help 1 to his friend. Now this 10 is now 9. And here 10 rupees will help 1 to his friend. And now here he have 9 rupees. Now here last number is 10 rupees. He is a lucky person. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 8, 9, 2. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 7 is 8, 9, 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. No need to write. 23,74,255.